I have just taken delivery of my Wingsland S6 selfie drone from Drones Direct. I was going to do a proper unboxing video, but these have been done to death and there are so many on YouTube I didn't want to waste my time making another one or waste your time getting you to watch one. Whilst the Wingsland S6 drone unboxing videos show what comes in the box, what they don't show is why the reviewer bought the S6 in the first place. Call me sceptical, but I reckon that's because the S6 unboxing videos have been made by people who have been given the S6 to test and review for free. Yep, these people were given the S6 and are getting paid for their video, and that is the only reason they are doing it. I am not fortunate enough to qualify for these freebies, and I had to put my hand in my pocket and part with my hard-earned cash and buy the Wingsland S6 drone, which is the same with all the products I use and make videos about. The reason for my S6 video is because I wanted one and not because I've been given one and paid to make a video reviewing it. The reasons I bought the Wingsland S6 drone rather than the Zerotech Dobby, which was also on my list, is as follows. I wanted a small and foldable drone that I could slip in my pocket and have with me at all times, and the S6 fits the bill perfectly. It even comes with its own hard case to ensure it stays safe and sound. I wanted a drone that I could get out, get in the air and take photos or capture video footage in a matter of seconds rather than minutes, and the S6 should allow me to do this. I wanted a drone to use for stills photography and capturing aerial footage. The S6 has a CMOS sensor resulting in a 13 megapixel stills camera that can also capture 4K video. From the reviews I have read and the footage I saw, the image quality of the S6 looks impressive. I wanted a simple to use plug and play drone that requires little setting up. When I am out and about with the other half, I don't have the time to faff around tweaking camera settings and the like. I need something I can turn on, get in the air, take some photos and video, land and pack away before my other half gets bored. The S6 seemed the ideal drone for this. I wanted an affordable drone that I could take anywhere and not worry about too much. Okay, I'd be annoyed if I trashed a 200 quid drone, but I would be absolutely gutted if I trashed an 800 quid drone like the Mavic Air. The S6 drone ticked all the boxes, and that is why I took a punt and decided to put my money where my mouth is and buy one. I know that the Wingsland S6 isn't perfect and that it does have a few problems. I know the battery life isn't great, but then I can buy spare batteries to keep it in the air. I know the S6 catches the wind and gets blown around, but then this happens with all drones this size. I just need to make sure I can take the weather conditions into account. I know the video footage can be a little bit shaky at times, but this is the same with all drones without a gimbal or any type of stabilizer. All things considered, I think the Wingsland S6 drone is the best take everywhere drone for me, but I guess time will tell, and I will of course keep you up to date as I start testing this drone and putting it through its paces.